Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. And in previous part we have discussed about the writing of chemical formulae. So how to write the chemical formulae of various types of substances, and along with so many examples we have seen in the last class beta. Okay, fine. And in this class I am going to show you another 2 to 3 very interesting and very common fundamental points I am going to be explain better. In that, one is atomicity. What is mean by atomicity? And one more I am going to explain that atomic mass and molecular mass. How to calculate the atomic and molecular masses. That story we are going to be discussed in this video class beta. Okay, right. So first of all I want to tell you what is mean by atomicity. इसका मीनिंग क्या हो सकता है? Yes बेटा. So just one word try to remember. Atomicity means number of atoms which compose or which constitute a molecule. And simply in our language we can say that number of atoms present in a molecule. Okay na? That is nothing but atomicity. Clear na? Right. So number of atoms constituting a molecule, or we can say which are present in a molecule. That is nothing but what beta? Atomicity. So before going to find atomicity, before going to tell atomicity, you have to be remember some 2 to 3 rules, Nana. Common rules, very common. Okay, right. In that I want to tell that is nothing but the rule number 1. First, suppose all noble gases are, these all are common points beta. So all noble gases are monoatomic. All noble gases are monoatomic. What is meant by noble gases? Zero group elements. So what are the zero group elements, or we can say inert gases? Is one is nothing but what beta? Helium. Next one is nothing but neon. Next one is nothing but argon, and next one is krypton, next one is xenon, and one more is nothing but radon. Radon is a radioactive noble gas. Okay, you leave it information, but remaining all try to remember. So all these are nothing but the what, Nana? Monoatomic gases. So due to their stable octet configuration, stable octet in their 8 electron will be there, Nana. So due to their stable octet configuration, all the noble gases, they will be exist in monoatomic condition. They won't exist in the form of diatomic. First, suppose helium. Helium means it is in the form of He, but it is not going to be exist in the form of He2. He2 means diatomic. Helium is monoatomic. Only one atom. He2 means a diatom. So HO2 okay na, helium diatom form में exist नहीं हो सकता, highly impossible due to its stable octet configuration. ये तुम्हारा rule number 1 बेटा. Okay, good. So argon in the form of Ar only, but can you write Ar2? Is it possible, Nana? Is it possible नहीं हो सकता, because of all the noble gases, their atomicity is only 1. Next rule I want to say that is nothing but the elementary gases. Which gases beta? Elementary gases. So elementary gases, sir, what is meant by elementary gases? Elementary gases means the gases which are in free form, the gases which are in uncombined form. First, suppose that is nothing but the H2. H is combined form. H can combine with any other easily, Nana, but H2 is stable molecule, Nana. Okay na? And O can combine easily with some other element, but O2 is a stable molecule, Nana. N2 can, okay na, nitrogen, N atom can combine with any other easily, but N2 is stable molecule. So like that, Nana. H2, N2, O2, okay na beta, and also we can say that Cl2, next one is nothing but Br2, all these are nothing but the elementary gases, the gases which are in uncombined form and free form. All the elementary gases always they are in what, Nana? Is they are diatomic in nature. So noble gases are monoatomic in nature, like this elementary gases are diatomic in nature. For suppose hydrogen बोले तो क्या बोलना H2 means it contain two atoms like that nana. So all elementary gases are diatomic means atomicity is 2 nana. Next one is one common compound I want to tell that. I hope you may know this very well. Ozone. Yes. What is the formula of ozone? Ozone formula is nothing but O3. But in that ozone, how many oxygen atoms are there? 3 oxygen atoms are there. So we have to say that ozone is an example of, or we can say it is an example of what nana? It is the example for triatomic. Means atomicity is what nana? 3. Next example I want to say that is nothing but the phosphorus. What beta? Phosphorus. Maybe white phosphorus, maybe red phosphorus, whatever that may be. Phosphorus means always it contains the formula P4. What is the formula of phosphorus beta? P4 means one phosphorus molecule, one phosphorus species contain. Okay, how many phosphorus atoms? 4 phosphorus atoms are there. So phosphorus is always an example of tetraatomic, means phosphorus atomicity is 4. And next another one I want to say that is nothing but the sulfur. What beta? Sulfur. So whatever that may be the sulfur, whatever that may be the allotropic form, maybe rhomic sulfur, monoclinic sulfur, alpha sulfur, beta sulfur, कुछ भी रहने दो बेटा. Mostly sulfur it going to be exist in the form of S8. Another S6 form is also there, but stable common form is S8 nana. Okay, right. So sulfur, what is the formula? S8. Yes. So that's why we have to say that sulfur is nothing but S8. How many sulfur atoms are there? 8 sulfur atoms are there. 8 means octa. So total 8 S atoms are there. We have to say that octa atomic. So these rules we have to be remembered. Now I am going to give you few more extra examples, various examples I am going to give you. So for them, try to write the atomicity. I hope you can do that easily. Okay. First of all, example 1. So the question is, write atomicity of following compounds and substances. So first of all, I am going to write that. First suppose I am going to write water molecule. So atomicity of water molecule, 2 hydrogens are there, 1 oxygen is there, total atomicity is 3. Next one is nothing but methane molecule. Which molecule beta? Methane molecule. Methane formula is nothing but CH4. So in methane, 1 carbon is there, 4 hydrogen is there, total atomicity is 5. Next one is, I am going to write that ammonia. What is the formula of ammonia? NH3 beta. So formula of ammonia is NH3, total atomicity. 1 nitrogen atom, 3 hydrogen, total atoms are 4. And next molecule I am going to give you carbon dioxide, CO2. How much atomicity? 1 carbon is there, 2 oxygens are there. Total number of atoms in CO2 molecule, that is equal to 3. Atomicity is 3 nana. Next one is, I want to tell you, that is nothing but acid, hydrochloric acid. 1 hydrogen atom, 1 Cl atom, only 2 atoms are there, atomicity is 2. Diatomic. Next one is sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Come on, atomicity find. So, 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2 what done? 7, total 7 atomicity, heptaatomic. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, nana. Clear? Next one is, I am going to write that NaOH. NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Okay, means 1N, 1A na beta, nahi bolna. Na, sodium, 1 atom. So 1 and oxygen and hydrogen. Again, atomicity is nothing but 3. Okay, beta, good. Next one is CaOH taken twice, means calcium hydroxide. 1 calcium, 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen. 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, 4, 1 calcium, total is nothing but 5, pentaatomic. Next one is, I am going to write that sodium chloride. 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, atomicity is 2. Next one is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. 1 sodium, 3 oxygen, 2 sodium, 3 oxygen, 5 plus carbon is there, total 6 atomicity. Okay, what is the formula of benzene? Benzene formula is C6H6. So total atoms are 12. Okay, na? Good, Nana. Next, urea. What is the formula of urea? Very important to you. Urea. NH2 bond, C double bond O bonded to NH2. This is your urea formula, fertilizer. मालूम है ना बेटा? So, what is the atomicity of urea? ऐसे questions आपको PC level में अपन discuss करेंगे regularly. Very important, repeated questions बेटा. Okay. 2 nitrogens are there. Okay, 2 nitrogen. Total 4 hydrogens are there. 4 hydrogen. 4 plus 2 means 6. 1 carbon 7. 1 oxygen 8. Once again, 2 nitrogens and 4 hydrogen. 4 hydrogen plus 2 nitrogen 6 and carbon 1, oxygen 1. So total atomicity of urea is 8. Okay, good. So another molecule I want to show you. Ready, beta? First, suppose glucose. What is the formula of glucose? Glucose formula is C6H12O6. Total 6 carbons are there, 6 oxygens are there, 12 plus 12 hydrogens are there. So total atomicity of glucose is 24. Simply we can say that polyatomic. And S8 sulfur octatomic, and also we can say that polyatomic. Okay, na beta? Yes, I hope you understand this. If you know the formula, you can easily define the, okay, you can easily calculate the atomicity. I hope you understand this concept clearly. Okay, na beta? Good. Now I am going to start another topic. That is nothing but atomic mass, and also we can say that atomic weight. Okay. Sir, what is mean by atomic mass and what is mean by atomic weight? How to calculate? What is the formula? Yes. So the formula is atomic mass is equals to mass of an atom divided by 1/12 into mass of C12 isotope. Mass of what beta? C12 isotope. Because of carbon can exist in isotopic form, C12, C13, C14. Okay now, but why we are considering C12? This is the question mark. The question is, so because of the reason is C12 isotope, so it contain one very important one special feature is there. Listen carefully. Hydrogen 1 gram, helium atomic number 2 mass is 4 gram, carbon atomic number 6 mass is 12 gram. Not only this element, all 118 elements and so many compounds, molecular masses. Okay, all these atomic and molecular masses calculation was depends upon one standard and fundamental and reference compound, that is nothing but the C12 isotope. So इस दुनिया में सारे compounds के सारे elements के all the compounds and the elements, their atomic masses and molecular masses, they are decided, they are determined on the basis of one reference element. The reference element is C12 isotope. Okay, so C12 isotope means what we have to say, that it is a standard reference element. It is a standard reference element, means atomic masses are determined on the basis of reference chanapko. The reference and standard element is C12 isotope. That's why I have written in formula also. So the mass which is equals to the 1/12 into atomic mass of C12 isotope. Otherwise we can say that atomic mass is equals to mass of an atom by 1/12 into mass of C12 isotope, because of this is the standard unit. Okay, beta. So just to try to remember the formula, इसका इतना use तो नहीं है, but try to remember the atomic masses. Values you have to be remembered. And before that, remember carefully, atomic masses and atomic weights, all they are calculated, and also we can say that atomic masses are expressed in unit. The unit is nothing but we have to say that unified mass. The symbol is nothing but simply we have to say that U, and also we can say that it can be expressed in unit, that is nothing but AMU. Sir, what is mean by AMU? AMU means atomic, M indicates mass, and U indicate unit. Atomic mass unit बोल सकते हैं, and also we can say that unified mass. So once again guys, so this is the formula to calculate the atomic mass. Okay, leave it Nana. Next, atomic masses of the all elements and compounds and whatever that may be. So atomic masses are expressed in the form of, in the terms of units, that is nothing but unified mass, and also we can say that atomic mass unit Nana. Okay, so what is the expressive unit for atomic mass? That is nothing but unified mass, and one more is nothing but AMU, means atomic mass unit Nana. Okay, now I am going to tell you some examples, otherwise we can say that in the form of question form में भी पढ़ाई कर लो ऐसे विश Nana. So find our calculated atomic masses of, find atomic masses of following substances. Number 1, I am going to write that atomic masses I am saying means we have to consider only for atoms. Okay, hydrogen atom, so it contain 1 unit because of atomic number is 1, mass number is 1. So mass is nothing but 1 unified mass. And next one is nothing but what Nana? Nitrogen, atomic number is 7, mass number is 14. So we have to say that 14 unified mass. And my dear students, all of you, try to remember atomic masses of 1 to 30 elements. So that's why try to remember, maybe I hope maybe 4th video or 3rd video, I don't know, maybe 5th video or 4th video Nana. In that I have given to you list of 30 elements with atomic number, with mass number, with electronic configuration. Once again, if you are not going to understand, okay, check that list Nana, but try to remember all first 30 elements, atomic number and mass number and electronic configuration. Without knowing such fundamental information, you can't do anything in PUC. Okay na? Good na. So nitrogen is nothing but how much? 14 unified mass. And next one is oxygen. It contains 6 unified mass, 16. And next one is, we can say that what Nana? Nitrogen, okay, 14 unified mass na beta, and oxygen is equals to 16 unified mass. Like that, try to be remember. And carbon, we can say that carbon equals to what Nana? Its atomic number is nothing but 6, mass number is 12. It contains, okay, 12 unified mass. Like that information we have to be right. I hope you understand. So next story is about molecular masses. Right. So next topic is about what beta? Molecular masses. So what is mean by molecular mass and how to calculate the molecular masses, that we are going to be discussed now. Molecular mass. So molecular masses find out करने के लिए formula same like above. Molecular mass is equals to mass of one molecule, or we can say mass of one molecule of a substance. Mass of one molecule. Here what is meant by atomic mass? Mass of an atom. What is meant by molecular mass? Mass of one molecule. And below data is same because of there is a fundamental element. So we can say that 1/12 into mass of what beta? C12 isotope. Mass of C12 isotope. That okay information, and this formula you have to be remember. So to calculate the what kind of molecular masses. Okay, fine. But listen carefully, sir, what is meant by molecular mass? So just one word meaning I want to say that molecular mass is nothing but sum of atomic masses of all elements. Sum of atomic masses of all elements which are present in a molecule. That is known as molecular mass. Okay, I am going to show you one example. So first suppose the example is nothing but H2 molecule. Which molecule beta? H2 molecule. So in that H2 molecule, how many atoms are there? 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So number of atoms are 2. Yes, 2 I have written here. But hydrogen atomic mass is how much? 1. So 2 into 1, it is equals to 2 Nana. So 2 unified mass. This is the H2 molecule, molecular mass. And next one is nothing but O2. I am going to write that number of atoms are 2. So we can say that 2 into 1 oxygen atom contains 16 unified mass. So 2 into 16 means we have to say that 32 unified mass or 32 grams. Okay, na beta? Like that we have to be right. And one more I want to say that water molecule H2O. How many hydrogen atoms are there? So in H2O molecule, 2 hydrogen atoms are there, but each hydrogen contain 1 unified mass plus 1 oxygen atom is there. Simply we have to say that 1 into, and oxygen atomic mass is 16. So we can say that now, okay, 2 ones are 2 plus 16 into 1, 16. Total is equals to 18 unified mass. That's why I have said that molecular mass is nothing but sum of atomic masses of all the elements which are present in a molecule. So we are doing sum ना बेटा प्लस करें ना यहाँ पर mix करें ना. So sum of atomic masses of all the elements which are present in a molecule, that is equals to molecular mass. So what is the molecular mass of water molecule? 18 grams or 18 unified mass. Simply you can say 18 units. Okay now beta, good. Now I want to give you some very important which may be useful to you. Okay, 100% they are going to be useful to you beta. In 11th PUC chemistry regular classes में use होता आपको. So such list of very important compounds I am going to give you. For that compound, try to calculate the molecular masses. Okay na beta. So if you did get any, okay na, how to calculate if you are not going to understand anything, of course I am going to give you a number of examples. Even though if you are not going to get any meaning or okay na, if you are not going to understand, you can okay na, ask me beta through the WhatsApp also as you wish. Okay, right. So the question is, calculate the molecular masses of following substances. Like that question I am going to ask you Nana. So for that, in that category, I am going to provide you the some compounds. Question is, calculate the what? Molecular masses of, calculate the molecular masses of following. In that number 1, I am going to write that. Are you ready? Yeah beta. Yes, first of all water molecule I have given to you, that is very important for you. Next one is I am going to write that ammonia. Number of nitrogens are 1 into atomic mass is nothing but nitrogen 14. Yes or no? Number of hydrogens are 3. Each hydrogen contain 1 unified mass. So 14 plus 3 totally that is equal to 17 unified mass. Okay. Next one I am going to write that methane. What is the formula of methane? CH4. 1 carbon. Number of carbons are 1, but carbon unified mass is 12 plus sum करना ना बेटा, sum of atomic masses, that is nothing but molecular mass बेटा. Okay. And number of hydrogens are 4 into atomicity is 1. I mean into molecular mass is 1 unified. So 12 plus 4 that is equal to 16 unified mass. Next one is, I am going to write that is nothing but SO2. Which molecule? SO2. So sulfur, 1 atom is there, but sulfur atomic number is 16, mass value is 32. I have given in the list of first 30 element beta. So 1 into 32 plus 2 oxygens are there. So 2 into each oxygen contains 16 unified mass. 16 to the 32 plus 32, we can write that 64 unified mass. Okay na? Good Nana. So next one is I am going to give you, that is nothing but a carbon dioxide. Number of carbon atoms are 1, its mass is nothing but 12 unified. Number of oxygens are 2, its mass is nothing but 16 unified mass. 16 to the 32, 32 plus 12 means we have to say that 44 grams or 45 units, 44 units. Next one I am going to write that, you suppose the compound is nothing but what data. First suppose I am going to write that methyl alcohol. What is the formula of methyl alcohol? CH3OH. So number of carbons are 1, yes 1. Atomic mass is 12. Number of oxygen is also 1, but its atomic mass is 16. Number of hydrogens are 3 plus 1, 4, and each hydrogen contain 1 unified mass. Okay. So यहाँ पर 16, यहाँ पर 4. What now? So total is nothing but what? 20. 20 plus 12, we have to say that 32 unified mass. Next I am going to write that ethyl alcohol. The formula of ethyl alcohol is C2H5OH, and also we can say that CH3, CH2OH. You know that very well. You have studied in last chapter carbon compounds. Okay. Ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. Here number of carbons are 2. Each carbon atomic mass is 12 units. Oxygen is 1. Its mass is nothing but 16. 5 plus 1, 6 hydrogens are there. Again each hydrogen contains 1. So यहाँ पर 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 6 what none 30. 30 plus 16 we have to say that 46 units. I hope you understand. Next one I am going to write that is nothing but the benzene. What is the formula of benzene? Benzene formula is C6H6. So number of carbons are 6 and each carbon contains 12 mass and number of hydrogen atoms are 6 and hydrogen atomic mass is 1. So 12, okay now 12 6 are 72. 72 plus 6 means we have to say that 78 unified mass. Next one I am going to write that glucose. What is the formula of glucose? Just now I have told you in atomicity C6H12O6 glucose. Okay na beta? Right, number of carbons are 6. Each carbon atomic mass is 12. Number of hydrogens are 12. Each hydrogen atomic mass is 1. Number of oxygens are 6. Each oxygen is nothing but 16. So total we have to say that okay now 12 6 are 72 and 12 1s are and 12 beta 16 6 are 96. If you can do the calculation, you will get the answer 180 unified mass. So what is the glucose? Okay now molecular mass beta. Glucose molecular mass is 180. It goes to be useful for you almost in every chapter, in every calculation chapter. This data you require now 100%. Okay na? Right. Yeah, next one is I am going to tell you that is nothing but the urea. Just now I have told you beta. What is the formula of urea? NH2 bond C double bond O bonded to NH2. Okay, total nitrogens are 2. So 2 into each nitrogen mass how much? 14 units. Number of oxygens are 1. 1 into 16. Number of carbon is 1. So 1 into 12. Number of hydrogens are 2 to 4 means 4 into 1. Okay beta. 14 2s are 28 plus 16 plus 12 plus 4. Sum of atomic masses of all elements present in urea molecule. So total is nothing but 60 grams if you want to check that. Okay, good. So next compound I am going to tell that is nothing but HCl. What beta? Hydrochloric acid. So one hydrogen contain 1 into 1 plus 1 chlorine is there. Chlorine mass is 35.5 atomic mass. So total answer is nothing but 36.5 unit. That is the mass of HCl. Next one is I am going to write that HNO3 nitric acid. One hydrogen is there and atomic mass is 1. One nitrogen is there, atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. You know that Nana. 3 oxygens are there, atomic mass is nothing but 16. So 1 plus 14, nothing but 15. 16 3s are what Nana? 48. Total answer is nothing but 63 unified mass. Next one I am going to write here H2SO4 sulfuric acid. 2 hydrogens are there, each hydrogen contains 1 mass. 1 sulfur is there, totally in 32 mass. 4 oxygens are there, 4 into 16 what Nana? 64. So total is equals to 98 unified mass. And remaining 2 to 3 compounds are there that I am going to finish now. Yes, beta. Next, I am going to write that the compound acetic acid CH3COOH or CH3COOH acetic acid, and you have studied that it is nothing but we will say that vinegar acid. Okay, na beta, you know that very well. So here how many carbons are there in this compound? 2 carbons are there. 2 into each carbon atomic mass is 12 unified mass. Number of oxygens are 2. Each oxygen contains 16 unified mass. 3 and 1, total 4 hydrogens are there. Yes, each hydrogen contains what nana 1 unified mass. So 12 2s are 24, 16 2s are 32 plus 4. So total is nothing but what nana? How much answer? Again we are getting 60 unified mass. If you want you can check now. Okay, right. Next one I am going to write that NaOH, sodium hydroxide. So one sodium is there, but sodium atomic mass is 23. Atomic number is 11 beta. And oxygen is there, its atomic mass is 16. One hydrogen into one, so total you can count, it is equals to 40 grams. Next one is, I am going to write that calcium hydroxide, CaOH taken twice. One calcium is there, calcium mass is 40 plus 2 oxygen is there, so 2 into oxygen atomic mass is 16, 2 hydrogens are there, so 2 into 1, so 40 plus 32 plus 2, so answer is nothing but 40 and nothing but 72. 72 means what nana? 74 units, and also we can say that 74 grams. Right, so in that manner, whatever that may be the compound, what we have to do? Sum of atomic masses of all the elements present in respective molecule, that is the value equals to the molecular mass. Okay na beta? So story about the calculation of molecular mass is clear, but one small change is there, little bit what na? That is nothing but the formula unit mass. Formula unit mass. So what is meant by formula unit mass? Same like molecular mass. Same here also we have to do that. Sum of atomic masses. Sum of atomic masses. But this formula is applicable, and this formula unit mass calculation was applicable only for the compound. The compounds are nothing but the ionic compounds. So this word we have to use only for which compound beta? Is only for ionic compounds we have to be used like this word now. Same sum of atomic masses only, but okay na, only for ionic compound we use karna, because of in this ionic compounds constituent particles are ions. In that case only we have to use that formula unit word in the case of molecular mass. So one example I want to tell you, sodium chloride, an example of ionic compound. Constituent particles are plus and minus, so we have to use formula unit mass. Okay, one sodium is there, sodium mass is 23. One chlorine is there, chlorine mass is nothing but what nana? 35.5. So total answer is nothing but 58.5 units. This is not molecular mass, we have to say that formula unit mass, because of okay now it is the ionic compound. Next one I am going to write that sodium carbonate. It is also same thing, plus minus is there. So in the case of constitutive particles are ions, we have to use the formula unit mass. So 2 sodiums are there, 2 into 23 plus 1 carbon is there, 1 into 12 plus 3 oxygens are there, 3 into 16. Okay na beta? So here 46 and here 12 value, and okay na, this is nothing but 48. Total is equals to 106 unified mass. Okay, in that manner we have to be calculate the molecular mass and formula unit masses and atomic masses and atomicity. So today's topic is very important to you beta. Okay na? Right. So in next class I will be here with another fundamental topic. Okay. So up to there make all this practice na, try to make practice. Okay na? Good luck.